Hey, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do something crazy and try to make my son a Christmas gift like 10 days before Christmas. So this video will come out after Christmas, but if you can see, he wanted some end tables. So I'm gonna use this dimensions, but I'm not gonna do the drawer. I'm gonna or round legs. I'll do square legs, tapered, tabletop, and a shelf. So, but I want to do the height and the width and all that, and all this on the this is the leg, and I'm going to do mortise and tenon joints. Got a big piece of cherry. I'll be able to. I'm going to do 2 tables, so I'll be able to get hopefully all the legs, and then I got another piece of cherry here. I can do all the sides and everything. So hopefully, if not, I still have to buy some for the top. But so the goal today is to make square blanks. I should be able to get all 8 legs out of this one piece of cherry. Yeah, first thing to do is take it over to the chop saw and square up the end, and then cut it to length. So yeah, stay around for that. See ya. Alright, we're over at the powered miter saw, the chop saw, which I call, and we're cutting the cherry rough stock down to length. And I think I decided I had to do 29 inches or something. I can't remember exactly. But yeah, we're just cutting the cherry rough stock down to length in preparation to put it through the joiner. Yeah, that's definitely shorter than 29 inches. I don't know how long that one was. But these are cutting this down so I can make the legs. So we cut it down at the chop saw to length, and then we take it over to the joiner in a few minutes here, and we joint the one side, and then we take it over to the table saw. We'll see that in a few minutes. But yeah, we're over here at the chop saw cutting it to length. And we're going to cut the length now. We just got to wait for the table saw to rip them. Okay, we got the lengths cut. The ones you just saw cut chop saw, I think that was for the stringers for the shelf in the top. But now I'm at the joiner, and I am just jointing one side of the rough stock at the joiner before we take it over to the old table saw to rip them down. But yeah, in this section of the video, we're just running a couple passes through the joiner to flatten up a nice square side to take it over to the table saw and rip it. Alright, so you watch that for a minute and stick around for the next step. Okay, we got 2 sides jointed. Now we'll go rip. Hang on, let's go over to the bench. Alright, so we got it jointed, and I need to make 4. So this is, yeah, I'm gonna barely be able to get 4. Oh, geez. Man, hopefully I can get 4. I got a 1/4 inch. 8 8 1/4 overall. I don't know if I can get 4 out of that with the saw curve. Two inches each. Well, I wonder if I should go a little smaller. But all right, we'll go over to the table saw. All right, we got it set up for 2 inches. It's just under 2 inches. Yeah, I mean, so we have enough. Okay. We are gonna go for it. You guys even see? Can you guys see? There's one. Two. Oh, I'm trying to kick back. Three. Yeah, I'm glad I went just a little bit light. 4. First 4. One. Two. Oh, put that way out of the way. Three. And 4. Ah. 4 leg blanks cut. Hey. All right. There's 8 leg lengths. So let's go over to the bench. Okay, so on the drawing, it looks like, so overall height of the leg is 28 inches. And where it first start turning is at 21 3/8. So, but I'm not, so it's got a drawer, but I'm not going to do the drawer. I'm going to do a shelf. So, and what I need to check. Okay. So 6 inches would have been the drawer. So I don't need to make that piece 6 inch. I can make that 4 inches. And then I can have my shelf. Yeah, I can make the what I'm talking about. This piece here. And the drawing is 6 inches, but I don't need that because I'm not doing the drawer. I can do small. I can do like 4 inches. And then start my taper lower, like I'd probably start my taper like 4 inches right here. And have like a 6 inch gap. Start my taper like at 10 inches. Then you can have my shelf. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So all right.